The solar storms of May 2024 are a series of powerful solar storms with intense to extreme solar flare and geomagnetic storm components that have been ongoing since May 10, 2024 during solar cycle. On May 8, 2024, a powerful geomagnetic storm hit Earth, the 2003. This storm was caused by solar flares and coronal mass ejections from the sunspot cluster 64. The active region produced multiple X-class and M-class solar flare coronal mass ejections towards Earth. 3 of these coronal mass ejections reached Earth on May 10, resulting in severe to extreme geomagnetic. These storms produced bright and long-lasting aurorae at lower latitudes than usual. Aurorae were visible in places like India, China, Europe, including Croatia, and North America, including Florida and Mexico, New Zealand, Argentina, South Africa, Uruguay. The intensity of the storm was classified as a G5 class geomagnetic storm due to the interplanetary magnetic field reaching a magnitude of 73 nanotesla (nt) with a strong. The solar wind density and speed also reached high levels. This storm was the most intense since the Halloween solar storms in 2003. The May 2024 solar storms negatively affect two-way radio communications on various. The ionosphere was prevented from forming properly due to the storm's intensity. Starlink, an internet satellite constellation with thousands of satellites in low Earth, experienced degraded service but remained. Power companies in Canada and New Zealand prepared for the storm's impact but reported no significant out. Telecommunications companies AT&T and T-Mobile in the United States were also options but predicted minimal impact on cell service as they operate on different frequencies than those affected by the storm. Although there were power grid irregularities and degradation in GPS and high-frequency communications reported by NOAA, both FEMA and the Department of Energy in the United States stated that there were no significant impacts on the population. In comparison to previous solar storms, the May 2024 storm had a peak DST index of -400. Halloween solar storms in 2003 and the March 1989 geomagnetic. The Carrington Event superstorm of 1859 remains the most extreme. DST indexes between -800 NT. Overall, the May 2024 geomagnetic storm caused widespread aurorae systems but did not result in significant power outages or major impacts on the population.